All right, happy Tuesday, everyone. I hope this video finds you well, and hopefully you got outside yesterday and enjoyed that beautiful weather. It was gorgeous. I know I took the dogs on a walk, went on a bike ride, all the fun things. Today, since it's Tuesday, we're going to be doing some reading. So you should have exported a couple of documents. I'm going to get into that in a second. Another thing, in Canvas, you will see the directions for our Zoom today. If you would like to join our Zoom, we're going to meet at 12 o'clock and we're going to try to play a Kahoot. So you also need to take a look at that document about split screening. If you were struggling with that last week, take a look at that before 12 o'clock to make sure you know how to do it. All right, here we go. So today what you're going to be working on in Notability, you should have this document, which we exported last week, so you don't need to export it again. If you printed yourself a copy, you don't need to do that again because we're still working with our dolphins. And then this document, which tells you what we're going to do. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go back over that article about dolphins in captivity, and you're going to answer these 4 questions, okay? Again, I want you to make sure you're using that race strategy. So restating those questions, okay? Using text evidence when it asks you to. So 4 short answer questions. And then you're going to do this quiz. You can highlight the answers if you want, or you can fill in the bubbles if you want, however you want to. You will need to go back to the article, though, to find these answers. And this is a quiz, so I am going to grade it. So make sure you are using those strategies. Multiple choice questions. Are we eliminating our answers? Are we going back in the article and finding exactly where the answers are? Okay? So those 2 things are what you're going to work on today with that article. And then the last thing I'm going to have you do for reading today, I'm going to have you do an independent reading log. Now, I would like you to read for 30 minutes, anything you want. If you're reading a book right now, go ahead and read that. If you are looking at the Time for Kids magazines, if you have your Epic account set up at home, you can do that. I just want you to find something you're interested in and read. I would encourage you, if you're reading a book, go outside. The weather's going to be beautiful. Sit out on the patio or find a spot in your yard. Sit on the swing. But I want you to just focus and read for 30 minutes. Now, the questions I'm going to have you answer are very not specific. So what I'm going to ask you is just, what did you read? I miss you guys. I'm interested to know what you're reading. Are you in a new book? Have you found another series out there that I should check out? You're going to tell me why you picked to read it. Now, don't just tell me, oh, because Mrs. Clary said I had to read. Okay, yes, I said you needed to read, but I let you choose what you're reading, so I want to know, why did you choose it? Did you pick a sports book because you love sports? Did you pick a book about frogs because you love frogs? So tell me why you picked it. And then just briefly tell me what happened in the book or the magazine. What's going on? Is it a story? Is it nonfiction and factual? And then just a question, I kind of want to just touch base with you guys to see how you're doing. Could you please just tell me, how do you feel about e-learning so far? Is there something you want me to know? Is there something more you need? Is it going okay? Do you miss something from school and you'd want me to try to do it with e-learning? Okay, guys? So to recap, you're going to revisit the dolphin article. You've got 4 race strategy questions, 6 multiple choice questions. Then you're going to find something to read for 30 minutes, and you're going to answer a couple of questions about what you read. If you have any questions, again, I'll be available. You can Canvas message me. You can email me. And I look forward to seeing you later today at 12 o'clock for our Zoom where we're going to try Kahoot. All right, guys, take care and be well.